Hey mommies and daddies, flu season is definitely still at its peak. So here's an effective organic cough syrup for your little minion or minions. First you're going to slice up a whole orange and onion like this, and then start layering each slice accordingly into a glass jar. If possible, get your little ones involved in the process. Mine seems to enjoy being hands-on. And then we are going to add a third cup of brown sugar to help with the syrup taste and formation. This mixture you're going to leave out overnight while the juices start doing their thing. And then before you know it,